How do I print an exception in Python? How do I print the error/exception in the except column block?
For Python 2.6 and later in Python 3.x. For Python 2.5 and earlier, use
The traceback module provides methods for formatting and printing exceptions and their tracebacks. For example, this would print exception like the default handler does. Output.
In Python 2.6 or greater, it's a bit cleaner. In older versions, it's still quite readable.
Python 3. Logging. Instead of using the basic print function, the more flexible logging module can be used to log the exception. The logging module offers a lot extra functionality, for example, logging messages into a given log file, or with timestamps and additional information about where the logging happened. For more information, check out the official documentation. Usage. Logging an exception can be done with the module level function logging.exception like so. Output. Notes. The function logging.exception should only be called from an exception handler. The logging module should not be used inside a logging handler to avoid a recursion error. Thanks at Prakapandi. Alternative log levels. It's also possible to log the exception with another log level but still show the exception details by using the keyword argument x_info equals true, like so. Name and description only. Of course, if you don't want the whole traceback but only some specific information, for example, exception name and description, you can still use the logging module like so. Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.